time. Big up, big up.
But you know,
Yes.
I tell you the drama.
Yeah.
I watch Kino night and day, morning, noon and night, evening,
Easy.
whether the sun is hot
or the sun
rain a
in.
fall, the sun gone in.
Yeah.
I watch Kino morning, noon and night.
Man.
Yo, man, go on.
Price right.
Thing up.
Hold on, man.
One and move.
One and move.
You know the chef store.
So one and move, two and what?
Two and ready.
Alright, so
Alright.
one and move, two and ready.
One more, you know, gone.
Gone.
So
you hear
good.
that? So come on guys, one and move, two and ready. Are you ready?
Hello,
Pick up the general. One and move, guys, so let's go get the phone. One, let's move with the phone. Two, them see the phone ready. And three, gone.
My size when I left man.
11.
Yeah man, see the chocolate claw. We call it cheese, you know? Chocolate cheese. Yeah man.
Hey, I'm put dirt in them, can't try
Yeah, put on, yeah, just I try it on first, later.
chocolate cheese.
Yeah man, chocolate cheese, you know? Yeah man.
Cheese!
I work with this, and thank you very much, you know?
Alright, so boom up on the smallest foot in the team, you know, for the money. Can't fit in? Well guys, so as I say, Tall P, remember the prosthetic leg that was getting done for Tall P, you know, now it's up and running, you know, you're gonna see what's going on. I wanna give thanks to Vicky, you know, from the UK for blessing Tall P with this wonderful leg, you know. Yeah, walk forward Tall P. See it there? Tall P getting, I mean.
Yeah.
See it there, Tall P.
Up and running.
Come here, Tall P. See it there?
Look at time, you know?
Yeah.
You know?
Vicky, big up yourself, Vicky. You
All
know?
for love, you know, Vicky.
Yeah,
All for respect, you know, Vicky. You hear that?
yeah, yes.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day
One cake syrup. Beef with juice. Beef with juice. Beef with juice. I come like a beef in other. Beef with juice. They come like a beef meat. Having some juice to preserve it. Red beans, rice, stuff, you know. Rice and peas. Rice and peas. Right. So guys, so we're just unpacking. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Fly the boat that fly off a while ago. A boat there. Fly off. One more bag to go, Jackson. One more bag to go. These are all the stuff from Pablo Creation. Pablo Creation. So the man them are gonna drink corn, a lot of cereals, cornflakes, Cheerios, rice, fish. Hey. Alright. Well. Guys, as you can see, all the goodies, all the snacks, all the cans, all the cereals. So give thanks from Pablo Creation. You know, thank you so much. We're gonna make it work. You know, we're gonna make sure every member in the team gets something to make cereal, cookies. From tin sachets, watch up and say, whoa, you know, and the beef will cook already, beef with juice. I mean, no, wow chef is a man who create all different. When you see this, you say wow chef.
Wow chef.
Yes, man, that is a creative chef right now. So wow chef would know. And look, so if you feel like you lack energy, we have the energy tea for you. First, I'm seeing this one, energy tea, black tea. It's a lightning night.
Lightning.
Okay, as much caffeine as a cup of coffee. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is a bad boy.
I want one of them.
So this is a bad boy. So it's 12 tea bags inside it. 12. So we have all cans here with stuff. You know, all different type of cans. You know, we have asparagus. That's what what's his name? DJ Wicked. I cut in Canada right now. DJ Wicked, that is it, right?
I said put some cucumber in the tea, you know.
Banana cucumber. Or some long thing like they asparagus. Where them a farm right now, where the farmer I work on right now in Canada. Chili with beans. So we're gonna just bag them. We have peanut butter here. Classic. You know, so we have a cup of peanut butter as well too. You know what is almond butter? Hey, this one is different. Almond butter. Other PB&J stripes.
Yeah, that's a jelly and peanut butter together.
This one?
Yeah, PB&J other.
Oh.
You know what you watch cartoon?
No, I'm not watching cartoon.
Peanut butter and jelly.
Alright, so.
You know, I should say Man City win Tottenham.
Eh?
Man City win Tottenham. When Manu lose, me not trouble them, you know?
Who saying that? Oh, Manu.
Okay. I'm Manu fan.
Oh.
Nothing like a reply.
No, because you Arsenal fans want to lose the tuna in water. So what we're going to do, we have some bags. So remember, we have the members them here, you know. So we know how much members is here, you know. So we're going to make sure so the ones that working get something, you know. So we're going to put them in some bags, guys. So we're going to do some baggings right now. So you know the thing already. And we have rice and peas at, you know. Yes. Red beans and rice and peas cook with onion and bell pepper in a rich New Orleans style. So this comes from all the way from New Orleans, you know. So imagine that rice and peas cook already in can. Where the world is coming to? Where the world is coming to? Yeah, you see that one? Red beans and rice. Tin, guys. So you know we're gonna get some bag and bag them out. You know, so we have natural. So we have here around here. We have natural. We have Mother Teresa. We have Jella. We have Wow Chef, Talpi. We have Esther. We have Rasta Jackson. Right? And boom. So much that. So you know what we're gonna do. We're gonna make it work.
When I count, think I keep the count.
So I call the names.
Oh yeah, call me.
I was calling the names. I wasn't counting. So guys, you catch a count. Oh, okay. So. Eddie, Eddie, are you okay? Are you okay, Eddie?
Oh, you get more money?
What? Eddie bring money for us. Eddie, mine get washed off the step now. Be careful. You're afraid of everything, boy. We bring for us in the bag, Eddie. What's in the bag for us, Eddie? Watch that, so quick she go sit down. Eddie out of beat already. So imagine the baby there and she's like, come down, come. I'm not coming up there. Come down. Alright, so we have more macaroni and cheese. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So everybody can get one in our bag. We'll start off to put one of these in the bags in first. Alright guys, so we have 2 bags here from GG. You know, our lovely GG from the USA. You know, you hear that names many times, many times, over and over again. So we have a bag here, 2 bags from GG. She dropped them off. You know, we got some slippers, we got trousers, we got some 1 and 2 stuff here we can give out. You know, so not sure of the sizes and who they can fit. So we give thanks to GG. You know, GG, we thank you so much, you know, for this lovely bag, you know, of goodies. So, you find more bags, sir? Alright, better call them big anyway. So Esther, GG said drop these bags off, right? Yeah. With these lovely goodies, so.
They are special giving me like,
okay, so you got certain names in here that meant to get, right? The Starpy. Yeah. And the rest, so she does give out. Alright then, GG, so we thank you so much, you know, for blessing us with these goodies. So, you know, so, we have to see who it's fit, you know, here. If you cannot fit one of the members, then you have to get someone here in the community that's local and who can fit. So we thank you so much, GG, for these blessings, you know. So we have to just find someone to give them to, right? So we have slippers in there, and slippers, yes, and tops, and that. So this is from GG. So we have some slippers. Okay. Oh, is it females and kids, right?
yeah.
Yeah, small. Alright then, so you have these are the bags now. So you have natural here. I forgot. Natural is a Rasta Jackson. So, and the one with the can with the beef, you know, that's wow chef. Wow, okay, no, wow, create something with that beef juice there.
Yes, it does.
Wow chef that. And this, who they said this for? Hero. Yeah. Hero. Vela. That's a boom. Oh, how do you say this for again? No. I want that tall pea. This a boom. It's a boom perfect. Boom. Tall pea. So we're gonna stretch it as much we can stretch it, you know, because I say no matter how small, we're gonna make sure so someone gets something, you know. So we have more names as well too for the team them who can get something. So we're gonna stretch it, you know. So it's all gonna be a surprise what's in the bag. So that's tall pea, right? Alright then, come again, Jackson. yellow rice. This dry egg. Put the yellow rice in here already. Okay, trying to pat this for Natisha.
15-year-old.
No, this one picture with him like that.
I will pack Esther bag. Esther cereal. Esther cereal. Eddie, are you okay? Eddie. Alright. Alright, so this bag, these are the bags from Gigi. So we have some slippers, almost slippers. We have our clocks. Clocks. Small size. Oh. Oh God.
Oh, I think I send a member them to me and tell them to what can pick them in.
Yeah, that's what we go do.
Yeah, that's what I'm
So we gotta send somebody. How much female? If I pay female stuff, them that's the thing. It's female slippers. These are female slippers, so.
just send them to me. What can
Yeah. Smart. Oh, that could fit. Small foot man them. I like boom foot small. Alright, so here we're going to do some of these slippers. We're going to give the members we don't can get. And we're going to do the back to school. We'll get, yes. We're going to give out the back to school and the bags them that day we'll just give them out. Hmm?
This can't be 12 to 13 days. This can't be?
Tracks like can't figure?
Only if you put on where you come on off your bed, then rope.
Oh, you're damn right.
Can't figure?
You want to see the 13?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, yeah.
You can't, whenever you rope in your bedroom.
Yeah.
So that can't fit then Jackson?
Yeah.
Alright then, so that will fit Jackson then. Boom. I think this will fit boom. Boom foot small. This. Oh, chef foot big. 10, 11.
No, one.
You have more big slippers in there?
In where one size fit all. That water here. No. One size fit all water here. That's what I run here.
This will fit wow chef.
And that look good for him now?
This will fit wow chef.
Yeah.
I mean, tell us that look good for him.
That would have fit wow chef.
That's small,
Definitely. So what we're going to do, we're going to send the ladies them to Esther.
Yes.
To try on, right?
Yes.
So, you know what we're going to do? We're going to bring these bags to the names them over Mother Teresa while we're now and give them. Right? Yeah, no, go. Oh, so Barney there. Barney! Oh, so natural there. The natural is bag. Barney. We have a bag here for you. Whoa! See the whoa, yeah? Yeah. Yeah, the whoa, chef.
from glass.
From Pablo Creation, you know?
Pablo Creation.
Mhm.
Up yourself, you know.
Yeah, man.
At the time, you know, I'm more subscribers than the one than everybody else see everything, you know.
Yeah.
They have one whole faith.
Yes, sir.
Where
Whoa.
I come from.
Yeah, man, Pablo
Creation.
Creation. Pablo creator thing right now. I create my party night here. You hear that?
Yeah, that's natural.
Create my own party night here. See me after Pablo creation.
Oh,
You hear that? That's a party, you know. That's the 50.
60,
Yeah, 60.
70.
Yeah, 80. I can go 90 or 100 if you want. You know? Yeah, man, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you know.
I have natural.
90, is it?
Well, I have something, you know, beef, something like that, beef stew, beef. Yeah. Natural and kind of full, you know, because, you know, I'm injured.
So you give me 90.
And try it, January.
So, Pablo Creation, you know? Pablo Creation.
Pablo Creation. One love to Pablo Creation.
Yeah. That is it.
Greetings to all. Everybody big up themselves. And to Pablo Creation.
Yes.
Thanks to everything.
Yes. I even give you the Jamaica shoes.
Yeah, oh Lord, man. Here you go and see Jamaica shows.
It's a rice.
Take a shot off it. Here you go and everybody love it. Can I say?
Yeah,
no, we
bad.
get try bad man.
Bad man, it's a
Because
big man.
unusual.
Yeah.
The first thing, you know, sneakers wear like that.
Jamaica.
Jamaica
Shoes.
Come take a step in that high school, every teacher like it.
Everybody like
Everybody
it.
like it.
So me about my everyone like it, man.
Everyone like it. And I said, naturally we get that. And I said, no, sir. Half of the team.
Yeah, man.
And I appreciate it. So,
Pablo Creation.
Pablo Creation, just keep up the good work.
Same way.
Because people loving it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, I will always loving it. Okay, design all the while. Always look outstanding. Yeah,
True.
man. One loving it.
Alright, big up. Jella them round the same way?
No, Jella, shut down our way go.
Here round there?
No, here I'm going to play school.
Okay. Teresa around there then?
No, Terry's around there.
I'm gonna lick around there.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Alright, cool.
Alright then. So, only lick around there.
I tell Pablo said now, yes, because I start and bag already there.
Yeah, start munch.
Start munch already, no Pablo. That mean, it thanks here, sir.
Yes, that is
time.
it. Well guys, so as I say, Talpi, remember the prosthetic leg that was getting done for Talpi. You know, now it's up and running. You know, you're gonna see what's going on. I wanna give thanks to Vicky, you know, from the UK for blessing Talpi with this wonderful leg, you know. So, you know, Talpi is getting used to it right now. I think, you know, how Talpi was walking before because of his leg was unbalanced and things. So you have Dr. Brown, you know, the orthopedic. Yeah. The orthopedic, you know, and now Talpi will get his prosthetic leg now. Talpi! Come in! I know Talpi has his prosthetic legs and Talpi put it on right now. At the first I got see Talpi in a short pants, guys. I never see Talpi yet in a short pants. Them always see 1 foot roll up, you know, and 1 foot roll down. Now they're gonna see. Alright then, see there. It's a catch, man. Hey, look at Talpi. Esther, what's what going on, Barney? What's what going on?
Blood, stomach.
Whoa!
Soon, man.
Yeah, walk forward, Talpi.
Soon, man.
See it there? Talpi getting. I mean.
Yeah.
See it there, Talpi.
Up and running.
Come here, Talpi. See it there?
Look at time, you know?
Yeah. Vicky, big up yourself, Vicky. You know?
For loving of Vicky.
Yeah.
All for respecting of Vicky. You hear that?
Yeah, yes. Yeah, man, I will give thanks to Vicky, as I can see. Talpi legs, them, you know? You know, like, look, so, yo, you can't even tell the difference. You know? Can't tell the difference right now when it's a Talpi I roll out. You know?
Kind of feel away.
Yeah. Look like a film foot away.
Yeah, man, look original.
Look original, man. You wouldn't even tell. Whoa. Hey, Joseph. Pass the ball for me there.
Make the man chop, you know.
Jimbo, say it, Jimbo.
Joseph, what go on there?
I look real.
Yes. Yeah, man. Cooler, man. Official. See it there? See it there?
Yeah.
That's how I'm going to kick one.
Yeah, but you look like a real thing, man.
Cheers.
You don't look fast or nothing, you know?
No, bro, you know?
Yeah, man, we don't tell him already, man.
Oh, no,
Yeah, man. I say, yo, on the north coast, how you roll now, you know?
Exactly.
Yeah, man.
And the North Coast are road on top here, and them slippers from that same way.
Yeah.
Rasta Jack say, so I go on.
Stacks on them slippers, you see me, I say.
Man, foot look official. Hold them tall people. Hold them. They look real, man. So I want to give thanks. I want to thank Vicky, man. So much, you know.
Vicky, a bad boy, Vicky, you know?
Yeah. Yo, at the first, you have to tap in our short pants, so with 2 foot up this time. Now, my name is 1. Now it's 2. Yo, you mean Talvi?
Yes, man.
But you know, like Dr. Brown, him go out and do a good job.
Dr. Brown, go on, good job, Dr.
Yeah,
Brown.
man, Mr. Brown. Mr. Brown.
What if I love them, Mr. Brown?
Yeah,
man. So work here, you know?
Yeah, see there. Oh,
Aye.
I joking, man, joking. Aye.
You say one pile
I
me.
kick a while ago, 4 that, you know.
I say one pile. I'm just saying, you must say one pile me.
Oh, go on, so I go on.
Give me some time, I'm working. Pile must say one pile me already.
See what's going on with Talvi. Ready for a race?
Not yet, not yet.
Yeah. My exercise first, yeah. Because I'm so right now I'm getting fit.
Yes,
Yeah, man, I love the wax. Because you know,
that goes to look well.
What?
That goes to look well.
Juggle 2, juggle 3. That I'm tell you, say, so when you start walk without this, nobody can tell the difference.
Yeah, no.
Nobody.
This is what I told you.
Look for your breath in Talpi, so I go on.
Yeah, this is what you see on here.
It's blending though.
We have any.
Oh, you're one guy, we up. We up. 750. So 750,000 for female. That shoot Talpi a female. Oh, like that one there. Hey, Talpi stay, sir. Hey, kick up. Yeah, man, you better right in, man, you know. No, bro. And so, a long time Talpi stand up so straight.
No, man, a long time.
And that's why I look real low. You have to come real close.
Look at my right foot.
Yeah.
Look said we are.
Like something wrong with his knee though. Yeah. From far I can't tell. Even on the camera, you can't tell nothing. You see me? Right in Talpi. What do you mean? Vicky. Hey, we have to thank Vicky, man. We have to thank her so much for blessing time. Come on, chef. Whoa.
Wow, chef.
Whoa.
Where the ball there?
Yeah, with the ball. Yo, I want to thank Vicky. We'll give her a round of applause. We'll give her a round of applause. Because see what she done. I don't like them clap, man. I want to go on, man. We'll give Vicky a round of applause, man. Esther, clap. Eddie, are you okay? Eddie, clap. You don't know Vicky, but clap. Of course. Look. Cut this, man. Hey, say Talpi no one. No stick. Talpi, show them no stick. What? No Talpi. No stick. I mean. Aye. Talpi. Aye. No stick. It's a natural. You want a race? You ready? Alright. Talpi have a bag for you as well too. Yeah. A Talpi bag then. Oh, see it here. Talpi have a bag here for you as well too. You know, some knickknacks in there. Yeah. And we have a pants and a top in there from GG as well too, from the USA. You know. So big up yourself. So that's from Pablo Creation and GG.
Pablo Creation and JJ. Holy for love, you know. Holy for love, you know. The extension from them, holy for love. I'm
Yes,
going to say a different tall people.
Different
time, you know.
Yeah.
Victim can't stop, you know. Yeah, man. Holy for love, you know. Holy for respect. You see me?
Sure.
Yes, yeah. Bless us. Bless the king, you know. You hear that?
Yeah, man. Big up, man. Big up, man. I don't know, like, me happy for you, man. On the resort, short pants and thing. Eh?
God,
And them safe on the resort. Hey. Oh, let's help you. Alright, and who for name we have? Oh, baby. And most Esther draw this from Baby Face. Here, a bag for you from Pablo Creation. Yeah, Pablo Creation. Pablo Creation.
Yeah, Pablo Creation, blessings. Big up for yourself, my food basket never empty. Big up all of the donors them. Yeah.
Alright then. Boom! Yeah, boom! Oh, boom. Super, boom. Boom, I want shoes you want you try on, you know. Upstairs.
Alright.
Eh?
My 8 is alright.
A bag of birds from Pablo Creation.
Pablo Creation, blessed and one love and thanks.
Want to hold the bottom?
Yeah.
My birds, blessed Pablo.
Yeah. Hopefully it can fit you. What size shoes Esther? What size? From GG. Well, chef. Yeah. Look upstairs to one color filler. I also want brown Clarks. Bring the two of them come. They up on the house up there, so. Come here, Natisha, old lady. Yeah. For your mommy, I want you to smile at my camera, please. Don't want to crack it. Say thank you, Pablo Creation, for my mommy.
Thank you, Pablo Creation, for my mother. I made a food basket never be empty.
Alright. I want this in your pocket. Mine, you know.
Tina!
Eh,
I don't make sure you ask her, she get something like that. She can't get.
Alright. Oh, younger than is Jella.
Call that. Yeah, mix up the name.
Carl. Jackson. Jackson. Eh. Here you go. Huh? Jackson from Pablo Creation.
Pablo Creation, many thanks every time, thanks every time. Respect, Rastafari guide and bless and going out and coming every time. Give thanks and pray Pablo Creation. Yeah. I love you every time.
Every time. I will give thanks, Yeah man, so Vicky, I'm saying Vicky, boy, Vicky, today you make the day for Tall P, boy, you know, look at Tall P, what you say. Hey, tap in a dance place, so now they don't know. Go on, what take place? Yeah, and tell you what's going. Sure. Look real, man, too real. Yeah, them to say you're more upright. In a lean down.
I know the feelings and I
More, I know you look tall. Because before, you used to lean one side like this. Yes. I'm straight now. I know you're taller than Jackson. Alright. Wow, this can fit a wow?
Yeah, man.
Wow, you know?
Man, I try to it, I'm done, you know.
Yes.
Try to I'm done, you know.
From GG.
From GG.
Yeah.
GG, thank you very much. You know, my size, man, 11, man.
11.
Yeah, man, see the chocolate claw. We call it cheese, you know. Chocolate cheese. Yeah, man.
Hey, I put dirt in them, can't try it.
Yeah, put on, just don't I try it on first, later.
Chocolate cheese.
Yeah, man, chocolate cheese, you know. Yeah, man.
Cheese!
Yeah. This, thank you very much, you know.
Alright, so boom up on the smallest foot in the team, you know, for the money. Can't fit him? Boom, so look on the side. Boom, so look at what side there. US 9. Yes.
May I taste it and come?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm test it and come back, so. DJ, there, man, I'm not going nowhere, you know. Yeah, I want to fresh up and come back nice and
Yeah.
ready. Now get some more meat, now take some more time.
Yeah, yeah. I mean it. Why we have to give thanks, boy, tall pay. Where the ball, where the ball, where the ball there? Where the ball there? Well, that's one more I kick. No more than one. That's one. Before I could have kicked none. Endo. Lend me the ball there. Yeah. Dancer. Hey, them supposed to. Yeah. Yeah. Gone down. Right down. Here's the ball. Dalpe, come in the street. That's one more I kick. Just one Dalpe. Just one. Jeez. Yo, whoa. Ready? Jackson. Whoa. Gaping up time.
Left foot.
The right foot, man, that's one.
God, watch the God come out.
That's a pass. Jesus Christ. Go again, Tappy. Go again. One. Hey. Jackson. Pass it, get Jackson now. Jackson. Why?
Pass it, get Jackson.
Yeah. Again. Knock it now. Hey. Yeah. Give him a week. Hey, hold on. Alright, where's the boom? Are you that?
Yeah, man, I made that.
See it there? See it there?
Yes.
Just so.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
GG.
Bless them. Come and make a Christmas crop already.
Already. Pretty, you know.
Yeah.
Pretty, you know.
One love and thanks, yeah, GG.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Your size, that.
Right.
Pretty. Tell me, brush off your foot. Brush it off, brush it. Aye, pretty. Two new shoes are here right, that's alright now. Yeah. Of course. Right. One you wants to tap you a juggle ball a while ago, boy. Yeah, man, we have the link one, you know. Yeah, man. Mr. Brown do a wonderful job. Liquor, come for this.
Bless you. Mama. See? Miami. Nini. Mama.
Hey, next. Anna.
Liquor? Oh. Liquor. Hello, that done. Show her one more. Show her one more. Yeah. From Pablo Creation.
Thank you, Pablo Creation. May God bless you and keep you and your family.
Alright.
He has to love me.
I'll pile it in. Watch. Aye. Teach them, Jackson. Teach them. Teach them, Jackson. Teach them. Teach them, Jackson. Teach them. Oi. Younger than he is. Air Joan.
No.
Collect this for Era. That for Denise, for me, younger Denise, your daughter. So you can tell Pablo Creation, thank you.
Thank you for this bag for my daughter. Amen.
Amen. Prefect down there? Esther, prefect down there? Eh?
Policeman, a team son, you know him.
Who that?
Yeah, policeman, I know him more. We are keeping him for pastor. So.
Never clock him face still. No, clock him.
Number 5.
Yeah.
So yeah, boy, your wife do the official. God bless you, Echo.
From Pablo Creation.
Alright, Pablo, big up yourself, you understand? Straight.
Here from Pablo Creation.
Pablo
Creation. Yeah.
Pablo Creation, not fun, not respect, you know. She love it, That's what I said.
Alright then, so we give thanks to Pablo Creation. So we have Jella to roll through from Pablo Creation.
Pablo Creation, thank you very much for the stuff.
Check.
Good Lord bless you and keep us safe.
And check Esther and see if the slippers up there can fit you. Because she has some female slippers up there. Right. Esther, I'm sending Jella to you to try one of your slippers. Whoa, you know?
Yeah, I tell you. Come out all of my brown pants, because I brown pants like it, you know. So I say, I look like a Viking clock still, but you know. Come out my brown pants and my blue shirt, you know. And blue match, you know. Yeah, man. That's a Jella.
Well, guys, good news. You know, Mr. Razor, the phone man called me and said the phone is ready. Wow, the phone is ready. So I'm literally on my way to go get the phone right now, because that's the phone that I've been using. You know, that's my program phone, that's the work phone, that's my business phone. That's the phone that's do all this good thing that I'm doing, you know. So I really needed that phone so bad, you know. I got so many things I need, so many things, store, save, app, you know, some things. It's not like I can't afford to lose them. It's to start back all over again, you know. So guys, please don't say Kino next time it be more, but no, you can afford, but it's about starting back over to do them again, you know. So yes, so I'm gonna pick that phone up back now. I'm literally on my way. As I left the beach, now I'm on my way to go get the phone. I'm so happy. I am so happy. You know, so I'm heading back there right now. Oh gosh, oh my days, you drivers in the wrong lane coming across. Hey, Jamaica. Yes man, I'm so happy that phone is okay. So blessed love to all, hey. Well guys, so I'm here in halfway tree. I only been how fast I'm walking right now to go see this phone man to get my phone right now. I just can't imagine how many people been calling me, how many people been texting me, say Kina, you're good, Kina, how you doing? Yes, Kina is fine, Kina is good. Kina phone was just down, but Kina is still up and Kina is good. So thank you so much for everyone that concerned, that reach out. Thank you so much. Sorry I missed you guys' call, sorry I missed the text, but Kina is good. So Let's go get this phone. Right now. Right now, we gotta get the phone.
Right,
Man, man.
Yo, my dad, go on.
Price right.
Thing up.
Hold on, man.
One and move.
One and move.
You know the chef store.
So one and move, two and what?
Two and ready.
Alright, so one and move, two and ready.
One more, you know, gone.
Gone.
So
you hear that? So come on guys, one and move, two and ready. Are you ready?
Hello,
Pick up the general. One and move, guys, so let's go get the phone. One, let's move with the phone. Two, them see the phone ready. And three, gone. Gone. So we're there in the street. Use man are also bus a load. Everything I go out in the street. That is it. One and ready. Two and move.
Open that big away.
So everyone's running to get home right now. So as you can see the bus loading. Ready. Okay, so buy one, get one. Can't get one before buy one. Razor. Oh. Yes, I'm here to pick up my phone. Huh? Yeah. See it there? Guys, it's up and running. That is it. Razor. You see, Razor is the man. Which is right, guys. I'm gonna say, to get your phone fixed, your tablet fixed, your laptop fixed, you need to contact Razor. And you need to come in after the trip to get everything sorted, right? And when you see the smile on my face, I'm like that. That is it. And you'll get a phone case. Hello. Get a phone case for this, please. Yeah. You get a phone case of this. Pardon? 12 and 25. Let me see the 12. Unless them type that alone you have. No see-through type. Let me see it. What is this? Let me see 251. Which one? Oh, so which one better?
The one protection and that's if you don't want something to this.
So that not protect it neither?
Not as much as that one. You never want to get more and more before.
What's up, that was yeah, guys, so I just went, tried to get the phone up and running. So I'm here in the what's this? I keep on forgot about this name. I'm this again. Clock Tower Plaza. So I'm in Clock Tower Plaza. I need to go pay my Wi-Fi bill. I need to pay my Wi-Fi, my internet bill, and so. Guys, imagine I just went inside a little wholesale that Chinaman owned, Mr. Chin, and I buy an air oil and I asked for a bag, paper bag the man give me, and the man sell the paper bag for $10. Imagine that. Normally you get these paper bags free, you know, they're selling these paper bags now. So whenever you buy anything in the shops, normally they give you a paper bag. In the wholesale. Sorry. Big up.
What, you know?
Yes.
I tell you the drama.
Yeah.
I watch night and day, morning, noon and night. Evening.
Easy.
Whether the sun is hot
or the sun in.
The sun gone in.
Yeah.
I watch Kino morning, noon and night. Yes.
Respect, man, and big up, man.
And more blessing in general. And you see, always walk with the Empress as though she's not here.
Yes.
So we know the Empress is a blessing.
Yeah, man, walk with her. Sell me a water there and you hustle there. I must say at this
that is it, you know, Kino. Yes, man. Yeah.
Get something to drink there.
Drink, yeah. And
yeah, give me a softer one then. I want to look like it.
Hold on, Kino, hold on.
Yeah. Much weight?
100, my boss.
So you keep it chill, my general.
Enough respect.
And
more blessing again, my boss.
Yeah, man.
And anytime I start on my YouTube, I'm going to find you.
Alright,
I'm going to come to Trenchtown.
Yeah.
I watch Kino morning,
noon and night. Yeah, man. Big up, man. I respect. Yeah.
Enough respect,
can't think upon it, man. Yeah, man.
Enough
big
respect.
up.
Enough
Alright,
respect.
cool.
Yeah, man. Yes, enough respect.
Yeah. But guys, so it's always good to meet our subscribers, you know, so there's nothing wrong.
Hey.
Tomorrow. Yeah. Eh? No, she don't want to be on it. So you see it tomorrow. Alright. Yeah, man. But guys, as I was saying, I can't believe so normally when you go into a wholesale or anything they ask, or they ask you want a bag, they said yes. They give you a paper bag for free. I couldn't believe right now Mr. Chin is selling the bag for $10. $10. I want money. So Mr. Chin said $10. $10 the man selling for now. $10. Nothing for free anymore. Nothing for free right now. $10. Hey. Imagine that. I couldn't believe it. $10. Oh. Say man, so big up yourself, my general, on the hustle. You know, just so the man see me step on the hustle, you know, so support him by a water car. This is what he's hustling, you know. And he never went pick any pocket or anything at all. So the man I walk on a hustle. Now I make no trouble, you know. So big up to the man who are hustling in the street. I will give a support right through all day, you know. Once I say hustle, big up on yourself, hustler. Big up yourself in general. So the man say, whenever you start a YouTube, you know where to find me. Link up in Trenchtown. So we're there in Unveiled 3, guys. So that is it. good. I'm pass you though. I'm pass you. All is well. Man has been general. Big up, yeah? People waiting on bus to leave.
One brought down a puppy this morning. One of them complicated this morning.
So guys, so we're in the bus station. Everyone looking to get home. Right now. Portmore bus. No, not country. It's not all in Portmore. But people looking to get home, Oh, so let's do the same. Don't run. Ligani. Some people's face look so miserable. You know, imagine a sling. Smile, man, give your face a rest. You know. So guys, so I'm gonna head back down. You know, that is it. You know, thank you so much for watching Key Life in Jamaica. Please remember to put the thumbs up when you're watching. Blessed love to all, blessed love to all. What's over there? Alright, so that is it. Watch I know, you see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch I know, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.